What's up, Waikada? This is Robbie Jaworski, and today I am passing the camera to someone na siguradong magbibigay ng inspirasyon sa ating lahat.
Thank you, Robbie, and Assalamualaikum. Ako nga pala si Architect Abdul Wadid Bakil, ang Idol of the Week from the farthest land of the Philippines, Ungao, Tawi-Tawi. My father is an engineer, civil engineer. Tapos my deceased mother was medtech. When my mother passed, I was 13 years old. Sa una, mahirap. Ako na yung parang tumayong kuya talaga pag uwi sa eskwela. Ako na yung namamalengke, tapos pagka-uwi, magluluto. Mahirap mag-adjust since yung tatay ko nasa ibang lugar nagtatrabaho. Nakikita ko yung hardships ng father ko as a single parent. 7 kaming magkakapatid.
Losing a parent is never easy at any age. Paano nga ba ito nakaapekto sa kanya at sa kanyang pag-aaral?
Growing up, parang average lang ako. Hanggang sa college, ang dami ko talagang back subjects at mga failed subjects. Actually, pagpasok ko sa campus, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung kukunin kong kurso. Pero it turns out, nung nakapunta ako ng College of Architecture, nung binasa ko yung NCAI, National Career Assessment Exam, parang gano'n. Yung number 1 na recommendation based on my NCAI was actually architecture. My path leads to architecture talaga. On my first college years, siguro addiction sa paglalaro ng computer games. Kaya nawalan ako ng time for the other subjects. Hanggang sa sobrang dami ng failing subjects ko, I was labeled UP, under probation. Yung laptop ko na medyo luma na, at that time nasira yung computer screen. So, buti na lang may extra kaming monitor sa bahay. Kaya pag lumalabas ako, pumupunta ako sa ibang dormitories ng mga kaibigan ko para doon ako gagawa ng schoolworks. Yung dala-dala ko parang sako bag, malaking bag, parang sako yung texture. Yung laman nun is yung laptop tsaka isang monitor talaga na sobrang laki.
Literal na binuhat ang pangarap. Pero sabi nga nila, when it rains, it pours. During his final year in college, the pandemic hit.
Yung graduation namin, medyo nakakalungkot kasi online graduation daw. I decided mag-set ng bagong goal. Hindi pa rin ako tumigil sa pangarap kong to make my parents proud. I want to be a top-notcher one day. So, after ng board exam, lumabas yung results. Top-notcher daw ako. I was actually named the first Muslim architect to earn a top-notcher. Achievement ko parang hindi lang naging para sa akin, it's for the whole minority. Still unbelievable that I cemented my name as the first Muslim architect. I want to thank the inspirations that led me to who I am today. Sa late mother ko, who passed away when I was really small. Tapos sa tatay ko, very hardworking man na hindi kami sinukuan. Thank you, Ama. Alam kong maraming katulad ko na maraming challenges na hinarap sa buhay, lalo na sa mga estudyante. I want you to remember, being a failure is not your fault. Staying a failure is. You have to accept kung nasan ka man ngayon and set goals kung paano ka makakaalis sa sitwasyon mo. When you hit your rock bottom, the only way to go is up.
He is proof that there is no mountain high enough para sa taong determined to reach their goals. With his family as his inspiration and his faith as his strength, he showed us that we can achieve anything we set our hearts and minds to. Truly inspiring. Saludo po kami sa inyo, Architect Bakil, our Idol of the Week.